Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you 3 proven ways how to reliably identify a trend in Forex. You will immediately be able to incorporate these into your trading today. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our future videos. The first way to identify a trend is by looking at price action. Price making higher highs and higher lows defines an uptrend. The uptrend will be broken when price breaks below the previous higher low and makes a new lower low as it continues downwards. This is a great opportunity to look for short entries. Price making lower highs and lower lows continuously defines a downtrend. The downtrend will be broken when price breaks above the most recent lower high and continues higher, which can be a great opportunity to enter a long trade. The second way to identify a trend is by using the 200 EMA. When price is above the 200 EMA, we are in an uptrend, and when price is below the 200 EMA, we are in a downtrend. In an uptrend, the 200 EMA will act as support, and in a downtrend, it will act as resistance. Price breaking above or below the 200 EMA and closing above or below it can be a great opportunity to enter a long or a short trade. The third and last way to identify a trend I will share with you in this video is using trend lines. Trend lines work the same way as the 200 EMA. If price is above the trend line, we are in an uptrend, and if price is below the trend line, we are in a downtrend. You can look for trade opportunities when price breaks and closes above or below the trend line in the same way we did with the 200 EMA. For an uptrend, you draw in trend lines by placing the line below or through the peaks of the higher lows. For downtrends, conversely, you draw in the line by placing it above or through the peaks of the lower highs. It is important to keep in mind that you never should try to force fit a line to the chart. You can also combine several or all of these methods together, but either one of them will give you a good idea about whether the market is in an uptrend or a downtrend. Whatever strategy you trade, entering trades only in the direction of the overall trend will greatly improve your chances of making a profit. The last point I want to share with you in this video is what time frame to use for getting the trend direction and what time frame to trade on. You always want to look at the next higher time frame above the one that you are trading on to find the trend. So for example, if you want to trade the daily time frame, look at the weekly to get the trend. If you want to trade the 15-minute time frame, look at the hourly time frame for the trend direction. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, as this allows us to continue creating high-quality trading education for you for free. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.